Good morning, friends. This is Fred here. So today I'll be showing you the progress of my super napier, as you can see there. So this is my second cutting. I'll be cutting it today, and this is for 45 days since I cut. We had rains, but this type of napier grass is growing very fast. As you can see, it is very tall. Let me get back a little. So it is very tall, and it is so just for 45 days, guys. 45 is very amazing. If you have a good weather condition, look at this. I can cut, but because we are going on the sunny season, I'm not going to plant, or I'm not going to leave some cuttings, but I'm going to feed it whole so that others can sprout the soonest possible. So this is super napier, guys, and as I always have been saying, that this is the way to go now, compared with the ordinary napier that we were planting. So this is the best one. So if you check well, I was using you see manure there, yeah, the slurry, yeah. So you have to take care of your napier well so that the place is very fertile. And the amazing thing about dairy farming is you feed the napier to the cow, you get the cow dung, you also get milk, then you bring the cow dung back to the farm. But you have to let it dry or for some day. Don't use the fresh cow dung when you are planting or you are feeding your super napier. Yeah, always let it decompose for some few days, and then you feed it to your super napier. And then I have some intercropping that I did with what we call desmodium here. So this is what we call desmodium, guys. This is desmodium. You can have to you intercrop so that you can increase the value of the super napier. This is a protein plant. These are very good protein when it comes to feeding the cow, and the mix of the desmodium and the super napier here is a very good combination. Then let's say you have silage, and then you have the wilted this one, and these we have desmodium, and the things like caliandra. You don't need so much dairy meal to feed your cow. It will reduce the cost of dairy meal. So you have to intercrop with these. So for desmodium, you can either use a cutting. When I say a cutting, you see like this one, you can cut here and then you plant these. You see what it does? These are roots. So you can cut here and then you plant. These are roots, these ones. So you can cut here and then you plant this whole thing, as you can see it. And it will sprout again. Other people are using seeds, but for me, I'm using the locally available rather than going and buying these. So I'm going to cut these and then I'm going to plant where there is no. So the best thing is you need to intercrop, yeah. Intercrop the desmodium when you are planting super napier or any type of napier. Then I also have caliandra, as I have always told you guys. So the moment you do this, you keep on mixing, you keep on intercropping with others. I also have here we have let me show you. I also have this is what we call vines, yeah, sweet potato vines. They are also good. They also have higher percentage of protein, yeah. All these is super napier, and this is what we are talking about, the desmodium. As you can see, these are very good. And another trick that I show is that I would like to show you is any plants that goats, yeah, any plants that goats fight for all not so much, know that plant is high in protein content, yeah. Know that is very high in protein. So you can also use the plant that goats usually loves and feed it to your cow. So another thing I would like to show you is you see like this You see the whole bunch here? That was one cutting that I planted. The same case here. This is one cutting that I planted, but it has sprouted so many. That's the advantage of Supernapier. It has sprouted so many. If you see at the base, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they are still protruding some. You see this one? That was after I have planted one cutting. It has planted all those. So you can make it. Look at all these. There are so many. Yeah, one cutting is producing all these. That's the advantage. That's the best thing about the Super Napier. And I've told you this is just for 45 days. That is 1 month and some days. If it was an ordinary Napier, it would not have grown such Torah. Yeah, and don't let it overgrow, because the more it overgrows, its nutritive value keep on losing. It will keep on losing its nutritive value. So I'm going to cut it today, actually right now, and then I'm going to wilt it before I feed my cows. So you can make it. Don't feel don't feel discouraged, just feel encouraged, and you start a bit by a bit, and you can make it. So this one I planted. I also planted some, but I've not cultivated for some, as you can see here. Yeah, it was dry, and I never wanted to weed when it was dry. Yeah, because it was very hard. This place had a lot of water, so it becomes hard to weed when it is very dry. So even here we have this is still Super Napier, but I've intercropped with yellow maize. Yeah, but yellow maize I'll cut, make silage, and but I will leave these. And as I promised my subscriber is that once they are good, I'm not going to cut all these. Yeah, I'm not going to cut them. I will wait and for the next rains, and I'll give to my subscribers. Those who will be around, I'll give them some cuttings, so that those who do not have some can have some cuttings. Yeah, but for this one I'm going to use it for my cows, because it can't wait for the rainy seasons and all that, so I have to cut it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Feel encouraged. Yeah, challenge yourself, believe in yourself above all, because if you don't believe in yourself, no one will believe in yourself, in you. So do that. There we have Cariadra. As you can see, this is what we call Cariadra. You have to innovate or improvise new ways of planting fodder. So that is Cariadra there. And then Super Napier. Then we have corn. We have desmodium. We have sweet potato vines. We have different types of grasses. Like I have, I can't remember if I still have bracharia, but bracharia, yeah, here I have erythrobracharia here, but they didn't do well here. I don't know why. Good, I don't know because of water or what, but they didn't do well here. But we have different types of grasses. You see this is another type of grass, so you have to intercrop and all that. So thank you for watching. Take care. See you in another video.